Let's get a look at the weather now with our chief meteorologist, Tom Saunders. Tom, the Wilsons River has peaked at Lismore, but downstream towns still expecting major flood peaks today.
Peter, good morning to you. Yes, the Wilsons, of course, running into the Richmond River where they'll see major flooding today. Lismore peaked at 5 p.m. yesterday afternoon at 11.4 metres, making it the third highest flood in 48 years. This system has also brought major flooding to the mid-north coast. That is the town of Bellingen, which is near Coffs Harbour. Here's the rain over the past week. That bright pink shows over 400 millimetres. East of Lismore, Alstonville has had over 900 millimetres of rain in the past week. That's nearly a metre of rain. Now, this is the radar overnight with the total since 9 a.m. yesterday. Most of the showers cleared away from the north coast of New South Wales. Ballina has still collected 121 millimetres, though, during the past 24 hours. Major flood warnings in place still for the Wilsons River at Lismore. They have peaked now. It's starting to drop slowly. Downstream along the Richmond River, Woodburn expecting a peak on Thursday morning, and then that all flows down to Ballina. And Grafton along the Clarence River also expecting a peak during Thursday morning. Now, where's our east coast low? Well, there it is. It's drifted away from the coast overnight, and that is good news. It's moved away, which means we're only seeing showers today along the coast and ranges as opposed to widespread heavy rain, and it's mostly dry for the northern rivers. However, these southerly winds are increasing today. There's a warning for damaging wind gusts for the central and southern New South Wales coast for Thursday. Here are the forecasts. Sydney, windy with showers, 22 degrees. Shower or two clearing for Melbourne. Light shower or two and cold in Hobart, just 15. The other capitals looking mostly dry, although there's the chance of a storm in Perth today, Peter.
And this east coast low could head back to the New South Wales coast tomorrow, Tom?
We're watching this very closely. There's been a change in our modelling data in the past 24 hours. So here's the forecast wind and rain going through tonight and tomorrow. There's our east coast low. It starts to head back towards the New South Wales coast tomorrow. Here it is. And as it moves towards the coast, it's actually deepening rapidly. Now, these red arrows indicate gale force winds, even storm force winds developing, which means damaging wind gusts are likely for the central and southern New South Wales coast on Friday. Also, there's heavy rain, that red and black. Now, it's showing it just off the coast. As we've seen, though, the last couple of days, these systems are notoriously hard to pick. If that system is just 100 or 200 kilometres closer to the coast, well, we could see heavy rain and flash flooding, but this time along the southern half of the New South Wales coast. As those winds pick up, we'll see the swells rapidly increase in the next 48 hours, peaking Friday and Saturday. Average swells even up to 6 to 7 metres for the central and southern New South Wales coast from this event. That means, Peter, there's the risk of severe coastal erosion.
Not good at all. Tom, thank you.